Hi, thank you for visiting the PE department page. My name is Ms. Carrie Kirsch and I'm the PE department chair at Providence High School. I'm here to teach you a little bit about our curriculum. At Providence High School, we take a different approach to PE. Not only do we focus on the physical sports and the actual health of our students, but we care about their physical, social, emotional, and mental health as well. A few years ago, we made this switch because we really feel like students need to learn about their social, emotional health, as well as the sports of the day and living an active, healthy life. My partner, Mr. Contreras, will teach you a little bit about the physical sports we do and the physical activities we do in PE, but I'm going to talk to you about our curriculum and our program. So on the physical aspects of health, we're going to do those sports as well as cover nutrition, sleep, and exercise. Okay. In our social health, we work with team building, building healthy relationships, group work, and how to get along with others. Socially, that's really important to our students because we just assume that they may know how to have these skills, but they do not, and they need a little bit of help on those. Emotionally, we're going to teach them how to cope with things, stresses in their lives. We're going to teach them to be resilient. We're going to teach them how to take care of themselves. We're going to teach them to advocate on their own behalf and to talk to other teachers and students to resolve some conflicts they may have. And then mentally, we're going to deal with their mental health as well. Okay, so mental health, we're going to teach them techniques such as meditation and yoga to help enable that stress release in them. We're also going to bring in our counseling department who is going to work with them on the best ways to cope with negative feelings and emotions, also how you deal with stresses in your life. And we also partner with Youthline, which is an organization which will be a tool that our students can use as well. They will deal with things such as stress in your life and how to manage them, and other aspects of mental health. So at Providence, we do take a multifaceted approach to the total overall health of your student, and I think that is what sets our PE department apart from others. Now I'd like to introduce you to Mr. Contreras, who's going to give you a little bit more on the physical components of our courses.
Hi, everybody. My name is Coach Contreras. Thank you, Ms. Kirsch, for that introduction. Really appreciate that. I think our curriculum does a great job. I really appreciate that we take the holistic approach to helping our students out, especially in PE. It's just a really good time to realize that how important PE is for any age level student, middle school, elementary, high school, collegiate. It helps us realize a lot of important things about ourselves and our body. But we do play traditional sports like basketball, volleyball, soccer, indoor soccer, some wiffle ball, really cool games called Pioneer games. And we do go outside and utilize the space that we have outside when we use baseball cages. We do mile runs inside around the park area, a lot of good fitness workouts at the park area so we can get some outdoor training. So here's an example of what type of activities we play on campus. One is we do get into the cages at Providence. Another is your traditional volleyball. And we definitely get into that weight room. And of course, play a little bit of basketball in our facility. It was nice to meet everybody. Excited to see you in my class. Go Pioneers.